Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day it is. Welcome, my fabulous fellow science teachers. This is a quick instructional video on how to set up and use the pacing plan. So if you go to our shared drive and you navigate to course information, there's a template for the pacing plan. So double click on that and it'll open the template. And there's a little box here that reminds you to make a copy of this before you begin writing on it, right? If it's a template and you start working on it, it changes it for everybody. So you're going to make a copy, and then you're going to put the copy in the appropriate folder, and you're going to give your copy the name of your course and Pacing Plan 2020 to 21. There's a little example. And then when you start working, you can remove it. So let's do that real quick. You're going to click File, make a copy, and I'll do the one for AP Biology. AP Biology, Pacing Plan 2020 to 21. I'm going to put it in the course folder. Let's see where my folder, there we go. Advanced Placement Biology. Share it with the same people. Okay. And then it'll open up a new window. And here it is. AP Biology Pacing Plan 2020 to 21. Actually, I should make this is for the first semester only. So it's AP Biology A, right? And then we can clear this box, and then I can go ahead and start putting in the information. So you put in the name of the course here, and then you just start filling in week 1, right? That's our first week of school, and the school calendar is online, so that's going to be the 17th to the 21st. Just put that underneath 17 to 21, right? And then I'll just go through, what chapter from the textbook. I got to replace that here, right? You replace this right here with the title. So we're using Biology in Focus. Whoops, got to take the caps lock off. Biology in Focus by Campbell, and it was 2019, right? And so then you just start putting in, the chapter you're covering, the specific subtopic. Here we get into a little pickle here. The phenomenon, performance expectation, SCP, DCI, and CCC, those only apply to our 3-course model classes. So Biology Living Earth, Chemistry in the Earth Systems, Physics of the Universe. For our elective classes, any advanced placement classes, zoology, physiology, those don't really apply. And so you don't have to fill that in. You can just put not applicable, not applicable, not applicable, not applicable, not applicable. Okay? To get to the next line, you just hit Tab, and it automatically creates a new row. And just work through this to come up with our pacing plan for our courses, and that way we have them available for the administrators and for each other, and we can be ready to go. All right, hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave a comment, or you can send me an email or give me a call, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. All right then, take care now. Bye-bye.